Hi guys, we're over here in Anderson, South Carolina this morning. Come up here hunting buddy's property. He's been letting me hunt several years now. Come up here and pour a little bit of corn out on Monday night after I got off work. It's Wednesday now. I went and sat in our 2-man ladder stand this morning at about 8:15. They come right up under us on the 4-wheelers. They didn't even see us in the stand. So we decided we'd go ahead and get them down, leave that spot, and come to my other stand, which I feel like it's a better location anyway. And we were sitting there and we had the 30-30 this morning. So on the way down, Hunter said, he said, let's switch out the guns. Let's grab the AR. I said, okay, we'll do that. Guys circled around, come up that way anyway by the truck. So we came in here. And we hadn't been sitting here not even an hour. And he's like, Daddy, here's a deer. Look up, here comes this buck off the hill. And he gave us a great shot, 30-yard shot. And my dadgum AR misfired. But I mean, that's hunting. Sometimes it happens that way. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoy the video. It's a very disappointing video, but sometimes it happens. Right now, we're definitely wishing we'd have kept that 30-30 in our hands. I know Hunter is. He's really disappointed, probably more disappointed than I am. But I'm super disappointed myself. So y'all guys have a good day. Stay safe, and always thank the man upstairs. Where'd he go? Don't be still. I see him. Wait till it's all the way open. But you get a clear shot. You on it? Oh my gosh. Push it forward. What happened? Give me the gun. Real slow. Damn gun jammed. Yeah, don't move. Be real still. Don't move. Here. You still see it? Got a shot at it. Dang it. Can you see it? Barely. I can see it. Barely. I see it dead. We shoot him. No. We gotta shut it off. No, I can see him now. Don't move. Still. He's coming this way. shot. Take it. He's gonna smell that deer being come up to us, okay? Yeah, it's buck. Get a shot. It's right there. Be real still.